This is the Multi-Easy page. This allows you to cook a variety of foods with similar cooking parameters or techniques, either in mass production or as a specific need arises. This is great for buffet service, as a line oven during service, or as a production unit for banquets or catering. As you will soon discover, each of these icons actually represents a specific type of cooking technique. Begin the process by choosing a cooking technique. Each icon represents a different set of cooking parameters. For instance, the boiled food icon is a moist method. Braised foods is a combi technique. Fried foods are a dry technique. Scroll through and familiarize yourself with each category. Once you've chosen a technique, choose a subcategory that best fits your needs. You'll be presented with shelf screen, each block associated with one shelf in the combi. Use the function button to change any parameters. You will be using the function button to access a list of items that fit the specific cooking parameters. Note, the top block will be highlighted in red. Press the list function button or press the control knob. Choose the item you want to cook and press OK. Turn the dial to advance through the shelves or blocks and repeat adding items. Press the start button and the oven will preheat. Once heated, the combi will be able to run in the continuous mode. Load any or all the items according to the product and shelf. Double push the control knob for each item to change from white to green type. When the item is highlighted, the time can be changed and the tray can be identified if needed. When a shelf title begins to flash, it is within 1 minute of completion, and when it turns red, an alarm will sound and each item will be finished. As each food service operation is unique and has its own set of items, you may want to create a new or customized Multi-Easy program. Choose a technique folder that best fits your goal and then choose a subcategory, and note the parameters. Create a manual cooking process that matches those parameters and test cook all the items you plan to prepare. Record the actual time it requires to meet those goals and set aside. Once you've completed your testing and you're happy with the results, you can now create your own Multi-Easy program. Now, go back and choose the process you want to use and press the Add Multi button. Using the control knob, dial in the new name and press OK. Now your customized Multi-Easy program's been added to the list. Press the control knob and your shelf screen will appear. Press the list button and you'll see the screen is blank, so we need to add new programs. We're just going to call them A, B, and C for asparagus, broccoli, and cauliflower. Your cooking test showed that the asparagus took 12 minutes to prepare, so record that time. The broccoli took 7 minutes, so change the time to 7 minutes. And the cauliflower took 5 minutes. Now, these are not real cooking times, but just for an example. Press the back button and the blank shelf screen will appear. Press the list button and all of your items will appear. Assign each shelf its item and continue adding all the items you wish to prepare. The combi is now preheated and ready to run. Load the items and press the control knob twice for each of the shelves to activate the timers. Each item now has its own timer and will cook as requested. During the final minute of the cooking process, the shelf will begin to flash. When the item is finished, the name will turn red and an alarm will sound to indicate the end of the cooking process.